Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading FabFilter Pro Q3 on the track and confirming stereo or mono so phase behaves predictably. Once loaded, turn on auto gain and open the spectrum analyzer to full with moderate smoothing. This lets you see problems without being misled by level swings. Create a low cut band to remove sub-rumble, then add a narrow corrective notch where resonances jump out. Finally, add a gentle shelf to establish tonal direction. This sets the corrective versus creative balance you'll build from. Now you move into surgical work. Sweep a narrow band with high Q to find and cut resonant peaks. Toggle solo band detection to hear the exact problem, then reduce gain until it sits. Once done, switch to wider Q settings to shape body and presence. Boost around key frequencies sparingly to avoid masking. Make use of dynamic mode on bands for sibilant or fluctuating material so reductions react only when needed. Throughout, bypass and compare frequently to confirm you're improving clarity, not just changing tone. Finish by balancing the track against a reference. Use the spectrum grab or match EQ to nudge tonal differences and ensure consistency. Once done, apply mid/side bands to widen highs and keep transients focused in the center. Tighten low mids to clear space for bass. Make sure overall gain staging is correct and auto gain hasn't masked level changes. If things go wrong, check phase relationships and disable auto gain to hear true level changes. Small monitoring level shifts reveal whether EQ choices actually help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.